Welcome to DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. A big shout out to all IT champions. You are the magic makers turning challenges into solution. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful DAX function, MAXA. Looking to take your data analysis in Power BI to the next level, the MAXA DAX function is your ultimate tool for finding the highest value in your data set of numbers. In this video, we'll break down how MAXA works, showing you how it extracts data to deliver the maximum insight with ease. Step-by-step mastering DAX functions empower you to achieve powerful results. Let's move a bit forward daily. Join me on this exciting journey with DivkLearner. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a step in the Power BI journey. Here at DivkLearner, we empower you to take a bit forward daily with the practical tips and powerful techniques ready. Let's get started. So today, as I was mentioning, we are talking about the aggregate function called MAXA. So this is MAXA, which gives you the largest value in the column. That's the syntax of it, where you write down MAXA in the column. If you want to compare the text values, then MAXA is not the right choice for you. You should go with the max function, which we have done in the previous lecture. Now, this is how it compares the different values or MAXA. If the values column contain no value, MAXA returns 0. Rows in the column that evaluates to logical, such as true and false. True is considered as 1 and false is considered as 0. Empty cells are ignored. Let's very quickly see the practical part of it as well. So here I've created this particular navigation. You can go to the MAXA. So MAXA page, if you see, it returns the greatest value in the column. If you want to compare text values, you should use max function for finding the maximum value. So here what we have done is I've created a couple of measures. So one of them is max quantity sold, in which I'm getting the value of the maximum number of quantity sold from the table that we have been using. This is again showing you the chart with the product name, which is this fruits name, and the maximum quantity that has been sold. So in this, we are using max quantity. Here we are using, in one of them, we are not using max. We'll be using MAXA. Let's see, this is max quantity. This is max quantity again. So if I've not done that, what I'm going to do is, this is the MAXA quantity. So the first one, I'll remove it from here and put it this value, and we'll see that in KB, it has increased by 1. It's gone to 99. Whereas if you're talking about the max quantity, which is the int value, 1 minute, I think. Let me just expand it and take it to the other level. So this is MAXA. Yeah. So I'll just change it to not this one, but this one. So we have the same value. So the maximum quantity and the maximum A quantity are giving the same value. Here, the only difference that I'm showing you here is if we are using it on any text value column, because for us, product is the text value column. So text value column, if you apply it, the max, if you're using max, it gives you the maximum value, sorting the text and taking out the largest value. But when I'm talking about the MAXA, which we are using here, we are doing the exact same thing, but it doesn't compare the text value. So that is where you find the difference between the max and MAXA, right? So very quickly, I'll just update this link as well. So I have kept it here, all the links. So I wanted to use the MAXA, so I'm going to copy this and put it here. Remove it and put it here. Now you see it is giving me a white background, so I can go to the effect and remove the shadow and the border. Okay, I've not highlighted it. So still the text. Okay, now you see that that value is fine. So this is where we are working on the MAXA. So here we come to the end of this particular video as well. So thanks for watching DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. If this video helped you understand these DAX function, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more Power BI insight. Try these function in the data model and let us know your experience in the comments below. See you in the next one.